The CDC currently recommends that masks be worn in indoor settings when you are away from home, regardless of your vaccination status. Also, wear a mask in any crowded settings or areas when you could have close contact with others. Since COVID-19 is caused by an airborne virus, masks are effective tools to reduce transmission, even if you are fully vaccinated. Others around you might not be, or they might have a weakened immune system. Also, new variants of COVID-19 are more contagious, even if you are vaccinated. Wearing a mask helps protect you and others around you. The most effective masks have 2 or more layers, completely cover your nose and mouth, and fit snug to the side of your face without any gaps. Find what is more comfortable and best for you. If you need a mask, stop by the bookstore for 2 free masks while supplies last. Bear down.